Hello everybody and welcome back to Digital Point. Today I'm going to be showing you how to turn on dark mode on Instagram. Now the interesting thing is that you won't actually find this setting in the Instagram app. To do this, we're actually going to have to go over to our phone's settings, and of course, as you can see, I'm doing this on an iPhone, but the process should be very similar for Android devices. So we'll go over to our phone's settings, and in display and brightness, we'll click on that, and you can see light and dark. I have mine set to automatically shift over at 8 p.m. so that when I'm on my phone in the evening, I am not getting inundated with the bright white light. But for the purpose of this video, I will go ahead and hit dark, and that changes the screen to dark mode. And if we go back over to Instagram, you can see it changes it there as well. It's really nice that Instagram has this setting incorporated into your phone because it makes things a lot easier. Whereas if my phone switched to dark mode in the evening, if I didn't have dark mode setting on Instagram, I would have to manually change it each night. So it's really nice, it's quick, it's easy. My phone does this with almost all of my apps, so it's great. So do you use dark mode for Instagram? Let us know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials really soon. Thanks for watching.